Do your plants lack the local expertise and resources needed to take full advantage of NIR technology? Are you concerned that your NIR instruments are not operated according to standard procedures? Or that proper configurations are not being used? Whether you have one analyzer or 100, the Community Networking Suite from Unity Scientific will add consistency, simplicity, and peace of mind to your NIR program. Control begins with the Community Dashboard. Available on any web browser, our dashboard allows you to centralize product configuration, access sample data, and view diagnostic results for all instruments in your private network. With Community, getting a new instrument up and running is a snap. Once connected, test results and diagnostic data are instantly returned to the dashboard, simplifying oversight and data analysis. Your private community network is hosted on AWS servers with industry-leading security to keep your data safe. Should a local failure occur, instruments can be restored immediately. Community delivers a 360-degree view of your entire Unity NIR network, providing the consistency and information you need to optimize your NIR quality program. Community Plus adds expert support from a Unity product specialist when you need it. Are you ready to drive down production costs and improve product quality? Maximize the value of your NIR program with Community. Visit unityscientific.com/community to register and start improving your NIR program today.